Last summer, my family and I decided to escape the hustle and bustle of city life for a weekend camping trip in the woods. We settled into our campsite, roasted marshmallows, and shared stories around the fire. As the night wore on, the sky turned inky black, and we retreated to our tents. That's when Uncle Bob, who had been unusually quiet, suggested a shadow puppet show. We chuckled, expecting a few rabbits and maybe a barking dog, but Uncle Bob had other plans. With the precision of a thespian and the dedication of a true artist, he started recreating the sinking of the Titanic on the tent wall, complete with Celine Dion's muffled greatest hits humming from his phone. We watched in awe as he narrated the chaos, his hands creating tiny lifeboats and distressed passengers. When the grand finale arrived, we held our breath. And as the ship went down, Uncle Bob solemnly declared, "All that was left was